But ain't no Eminem, y'all niggas out here feminine. Fucking with this nigga BJ, y'all niggas is veterans. Fucking with the better man, yeah, that's my better half. Rolling with G shit, yeah, he my better half. He cut niggas into half and we told our rags. Y'all niggas ain't nothing but fags, man. Y'all fucking with a nigga with a different mind state. You fucking with a nigga who's a different primate. As I hit the fire escape down the 3rd floor. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Hit the camera on for show and I'm knocking through your door like a Jehovah's Witness. So everybody bear witness. Who the fuck is this M.I.K. top of the list? Everybody else.
In the kitchen just like chowder. Check out the chopper, get louder and louder. Goddamn, that shit give you a shower. 150 bullets, goddamn, so much power. See the beat stop, what do you know? It's your boy Natty Pop, Natty Dread. Running from them feisty fucking feds. Fuck FBI, fuck ATF. Natty Pop in it when I have the death. If it's with a pistol, money is an issue. These niggas right here so shit.
Yeah, I'm chillin' money, my bitch. I be young Florida, looking for a mama, looking for a daughter. All over this camera, yeah, I'm about to damage her. Heavyweight in the bed, bitch, I got stamina. And I'm going round one, nigga, round 2. Sick flow, throw up on the bitch with the flu. Say I chew, bitch, I get it in one. I'm sick when I flow, H1N1.
Nah, this is a nigga right here who's straight sick. Call the medic, cause this nigga right here needs to quit. I'm rolling with Lady K, yeah, she's on the creek. Do re mi, fa sol, yeah, I think you need to sleep. I'm rolling with that nigga G, no shit, get the toilet. Y'all niggas speak Drake garbage. If defecation, boy, is bad for your health. You fucking with the boys, man, we bad for your health. We don't need no help, we take the mop, boy, we mop you up. Need to pass the camera for a second, cause y'all done seen me for a couple seconds. I got my other weapons. BJ right here in this bitch, and I'm about to pass baton and let my dog just rip.
Hey, if you know me, it go BJ. But if you don't know me, it's Young FLA. The boy don't play, do the stanky leg, hit your meat. Now you need a wooden leg, stanky peg. Oh shit, your girl got good brain, she give me stanky head. And I'm hitting them sheets, ooh, I made the stanky bed. Ah, you shaking them, yeah, they got stanky dress. Wedding rings, fuck the feds, fuck the feds. Y'all married to the
nigga and that leg, make him do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do this stanky leg. Shoot a nigga in the foot, make him do this thing.
Christy F, baby, yeah, I say you ain't paid. Y'all ain't know I'm the baddest bitch walking the game. Take your nigga and your bitch, leave you looking real sick. Lay your body slam stump if you jump like a frog bitch. Top notch shit, y'all ain't fucking with me. Swear too high, me y'all girls ain't feeling.
Some hold our meds, some get high. Ladies Sunday on the street, she a ball out crying. Natty Dread. Bongo not that's I and I giving thanks and praise to the Most High.
As I roll like a renegade, I think that you need clinic aid, but ain't no Eminem, y'all niggas out here feminine. Fucking with this nigga BJ, y'all niggas is veterans. Fucking with the better man, yeah, that's my better half. Rolling with G shit, yeah, he my better half. He cut niggas into half and we told our rags. Y'all niggas ain't nothing but fags, man. Y'all fucking with a nigga with a different mind state. You fucking with a nigga who's a different primate. As I hit the fire escape down the 3rd floor. 1, 2, 3, here I go. Hit the camera on for show and I'm knocking through your door like a Jehovah's Witness. So everybody bear witness. Who the fuck is this M.I.K. top of the list? Everybody else, please suck my dick.
Boy G shit come through, don't get it misconstrued. I leave a nigga head unscrewed, undo me. Nigga, this is how I roll, Chopper City. All day, all night, nigga, come see me if you want it. If not, nigga, I suggest sit down. Cause we coming through, 4-5s hit now. Yeah, ASAP, nigga, stay strapped. Where your waist at? On the floor, where your face at? I don't give a fuck about a nigga or his family. This is what I represent, nigga.
I ain't see me so 3D. You ain't got your glasses on. I be trapping homes all day, gotta get no money. You know you so funny, I just laugh at your ass. Oh, pussy ass nigga, smoke a bag on your ass. Dushin' ass nigga, cushion ass nigga, that mean you soft. Fuck with me and get your head knocked off. You know where I be, bitch. See this nigga, a straight creep nigga come to you.
Don't let the Mickey Mouse fool you. Mickey Mouse funny, you feel me?
954-305, I-95, I-75, nigga hit the turnpike. Now I'm down the ride, and that 45 bus like ha 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 ha. These niggas want it, I'm on the corner, that marijuana, it's smelling like the niggas gon' be gonna.
My motherfucking dough. A bitch try me, then I'm finna let him go. Never been pussy, nigga, never been a hoe. Nigga might as well put my dreads on my soul. Never been one nigga, call my roster, they friends. My lady, she a roster, you can see it in her pants. Man, you don't like me, boy, hold your stance. Cause I'm the type dog that will knock you out your pants. You talking cause you fly, you talking cause you paid up. Well, you know me, but I'm moving like paper. I'm the Grim Reaper, I don't think you seeker. Bullets when I feel them, boy, I call them body meters. Cause when they reach it, boy, they gon' preach it. Talking about the hot, sit down, cause I'm a teacher. Hey, what's the other mama, call you mama Caesar. What's really good, yeah? I just wanna beat ya. I don't even wanna know your name, know your number. I wanna see you one night stand, no slumber. Get a nice sober, and you know I'm gone. You know me, girl, like you think that gone, bitch.
Why you get past to the dog? I'm in the house, got your bitch off the wall, so nasty. Wanna move jazzy, so savage. She get ratchet, if you try. I be fucking from the back, hitting from the back. She whispering in my will, no.
All I know is you take me and get this dough. All my niggas go be out here from the O. Nigga till I die, but I don't wanna rip the 4. The 400, boy, crank it to 7. I've been here till I'm born, nigga. Now I'm finna heaven. I feel like I'm a rhythm from the lyrics I be spitting. It feel like I've been chillin', dog. I really just been sitting. My dad was supposed to call me when he got this shit set up. He didn't even call me. Now I'm really set up. Now a nigga mad, bro. He should've called me when the shit started. Now I'm the party starter. I'ma get it started and I'ma crank it up. Fuck it, everybody get hype. Give a fuck what you like. I'm just that damn tight, and I don't give a fuck 'cause my lyrics be right. I freestyle, bitch, till you all fucking night. Who the fuck you mean? You only get the team. I don't need a team. I need me up on the beats. Nigga, fuck it, nigga. I need my own beats so I can show them niggas how I'm so damn elite. I'm a general, nigga. Go ahead, salute. It ain't no team, so it ain't no recruit. You ain't getting me. I hear your label, but you know me. I'm in your house like cable. Fuck it. I'ma go back to some of the Tiger shit. I got stripes, nigga, but I ain't Tiger's kid. You can get your kid, or you can get your clip, and I can take a clip, show you an extra clip, up to your lip. Boy, I'm Emma, so they clips. You acting all gutter, I'm finna make you flip. You do not claim my game, well I'm finna claim the grip. You do not like that shit, well let you trip. Now fuck making it rain, I'm finna bring some pain. All my niggas insane, nigga, now fuck you, man. 'Cause you can bang what I bang, then I will bang this man. Then I will put flames to the flag that he claiming, man. It's no brainer, man. I'm so changing, man. This nigga acting ratchet like he can change it, man. I been ratchet since I was 12. I was told no pistols, that's my mama, them. All of them.